Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you new seeds and grow according to latest update. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is 4th of July update. And then as you can see here that there is some new seeds that you can purchase. The first one is the Rocket Pop. The limited time Rocket Pop can be purchased for only 7 days. Get them before they melt. Okay, so they will gone after 7 days guys, so you need to purchase the seed as soon as possible, but now it's still out of stock. And then the second one is the Fire Fern Wilts. Fire Fern Wilts, the heat of the summer blasting out inferno rings. Oh, so yeah, there are only two new seeds. The first one is limited and the second one is permanent. And you can purchase both of them from the seed shop. Okay, but now they're still out of stock guys. This one is a legendary seed and this one is also legendary seed. I'm still waiting for them. I haven't purchased them yet. But okay guys, that's the new seeds in the grow according to. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.